Well, good morning. It's Thursday, early morning here at Prestige Motorsports. I just want to wish everybody hopefully had a Merry Christmas and have a good New Year's Eve. As every company pretty much, we're in inventory mode right now, so bear with us on shipping and things of that nature. As you can see, it's kind of stacked up out here. Really what I wanted to kind of go over today is there's a lot of companies out there call them custom crate engines. And that's easy to do, to say that. We just want to kind of give you a little bit of a glimpse of why we really feel we're truly a custom crate engine company. So right here you have, you can't see it, this is an LS, the 383, I think it's a Borla motor. Back here we have basically some engines getting ready to get crated. And as you can see, it's just not a bare engine. We really pride ourselves on a true turnkey combination: fuel systems, clutches, transmissions, just anything you can kind of think of in that deal. So here's, as far as custom, here you got looks like a little 302 base Borla motor. It's a natural Borla finish, some different covers. Got a 427 Borla motor. It's all polished. Front end's different than the other one. There's another Ford back there. Can't really see what it is. Here is a 427. This is a multi-point. It's going with an automatic transmission. Here's another Ford. It's got a TKO. It's got blue valve covers. It's multi-point. There's another Ford back there, multi-point. That one there is a carbureted motor. Here's another one. This is a carbureted one. It's got a black front end on it. Shelby covers. This is another carburetor, Shelby covers. It has a open plenum manifold, Victor Jr. And it has just a polished front end on it. Alrighty, here's an LS. It's Borla, polished. This is a carbureted motor here. And you have an FE motor right here. It's multi-point. And you have a Hemi right here. It's 2.4s. It looks like aluminum block Hemi. You have a big block Chevrolet here. Here you have a, this is an English stack injected engine. Looks like it's going to go into GT40 based on the front end kit it has on it. Here's a red Ford. And it's custom painted. Got red throttle bodies there, again different. Here's an FE. It's all blacked out. There again different. Another little Ford. It's EFI naturally. Alternator only. Here is a Borla motor. It's got black throttle bodies on it. Black Ford racing covers. Here's a small block Chevrolet, old school blower. And it's a Ford, that's a carbureted. Here's an LS Borla. Beautiful front end on it, all chromed out. This is a carbureted Ford. Another carbureted Ford. And another carbureted Ford. So all three of those I just showed you all carbureted. That's all they had in common. They were all pretty much different colors, different valve covers, different induction as far as manifolds, different oil pans, all custom to what the customer wanted. Alrighty, here's a stack injected. Looks like it's a GT42. Here's an LS. It's got a low ram on it. There's one with a high ram. This here is a 408 Mopar. Big block Chevrolet. Here is a Ford, looks like carbureted. Here's a Ford, it's a side ram. You have another 427 Hemi. This is an iron block. Got another stack injected Ford back there. And here's another Ford. Looks like carbureted. Looks like some customer sent in valve covers. So, as you can see, I think I took a count. There's 45 engines out here. We just kind of walked around. And I don't think there's two alike. So truly we are a custom engine company. We try to produce it in a timely manner, things of that nature. And variety, like I said, you've seen Hemis, small block Mopars, small block Chevrolets, big block Chevrolets, LS's, Fords. So yeah, just wanted to give you a glimpse of a day at Prestige Motorsports and to kind of show you what truly a custom crate engine company looks like on a daily basis. So if you've seen something you liked, give us a holler. Be glad to get it done for you. Have a great day. Have a safe New Year's.